Hi friends, now we are going to see weight gaining recipe for the babies from 6 months to 2 years. Come, let's see how to do it. In the pan pour 1 spoon of ghee and then add 1 spoon of suji and roast it. And then we have to add 1 spoon of ragi flour and then we have to roast it and then we have to transfer this to another plate. Now we have to add 1 spoon of ghee and then add 1 glass of water till it boils. Then we have to add the roasted flours in it and we have to cook it for 10 to 15 minutes so that it cooked well and it will give a thick consistency, smooth consistency. Now our weight gain recipe for the baby is ready. You can give for babies of 6 months to 2 years. You can add salt or sugar for babies above 1 year. Thank you.